Hi, I am Disha Javeri Shah. My daughter Naviya Shah is 38 days old. Well, I started using the Hungry Brain kit from day one of her life. The first card which was allowed to be used at the hospital, we had carried along with us, and we had kept it in her carry cot itself where she was kept. So whenever she would wake up on the day one of her life itself, she would stare at the card which had a black circle and a triangle, and we were really amazed to see that her eyes would contract and relax, and she would actually stare at that card. So I think in this 21st century where we want our kids to be smart, Hungry Brain is the right thing for our kids to be used from first day of her life. Later I have started using the next batch of cards also, which generally have different shapes to be shown in different order. I have observed that once she starts seeing the cards, she likes to stare at the card. Sometimes she even stares at the card for a longer time. Sometimes she stares for a shorter time. But I think that something is going on in her mind when she stares at the cards. Not much response in the means of smile or anything, but if she's crying and I show the card, she stops crying. So I think there is some relation between it. I'm waiting for actual smiles from her after seeing the cards, but that will take little time. There are also small bottles which have different smell, like bluebells, jasmine, rose. So when I make her smell it, I see her nostrils going up and down, and she stops doing any other movements and she's just trying to smell that smell. So I think that is helping her olfactory system to get activated. Also the different sounds which are there, 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, when I use them near her ears, her head turns towards that side, indicating that she's trying to listen or grasp that sound. So I think that even at this age, it is helping her grow more in a better way.